When it comes to RV repair and upgrades, many RV owners wonder, can I fix my RV myself? Hello, I'm Stephen Holmes, Director of Service Operations for Keystone RV Company. We know your time is valuable, and we understand the cost associated with bringing your travel trailer or your fifth wheel to your dealership for repairs. That's why, as a manufacturer, we're sharing our RV Pro tips in a series of DIY RV videos for those of you that might want to tackle the simple stuff yourself. Remember to always use caution, and if at any time you are uncomfortable, please stop what you're doing and schedule an appointment with your authorized dealership. Even more importantly, never work on any safety-related items.
Hey, I'm Matt Arndt, and today I will show you how to replace a compartment door strut. Over time, the struts that help hold up your compartment door or the bed top may begin to fail, or fail altogether. The first thing to consider when replacing a strut is the length and the weight of the strut being replaced. The best thing to do is to replace the old strut with the same type as the original. You can normally find the weight in pounds on the strut. Tools required is simply a small flathead screwdriver and the new strut. So let's get started. You can open the compartment door completely, which we've already done here, and either have someone hold the door open for you or use a board to prop it up safely. On each end of the strut, you will see a half-circle compression washer. Let's start at the top. Pry the compression washer up with a small flathead screwdriver to release. Once released, pull the strut free from the ball bracket. Follow these same steps on the bottom of the strut. When you get the new strut, you'll notice the compression washers are already seated and clamped down. That is correct, and you don't need to push them back up to reinstall it. Just put it on the ball, press it on, you're good to go. Starting at the top, push the strut onto the top of the ball bracket using the palm of your hand. You will hear it snap into place. Give the strut a tug just to ensure it is securely attached. When pressing the bottom portion on, you may have to move the compartment door up or down to line up the strut and the ball bracket. Once you've replaced the strut, check the operation of the compartment door. And there you have it. If you have an idea for a DIY video you would like to see, please leave us a comment. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more RV pro tips, or visit our webpage under how-tos. And thanks for watching.